How can I decide what's right when you're clouding up my mind? Can't win, you're losing fight all the time. And I can't ever own what's mine when you're always taking sides. But you won't take away my pride, no, not this time. Not this time. How did we get here? Well, I used to know you so well. Now how did we get here? Oh, I think I know. The truth is hiding